Imagine this. An asteroid is heading straight for Earth in 2046. What would happen next? In today's video, we'll explore the potential disaster, how it could change our world, and what we can do to prevent it. Welcome to Dark Matter Diaries, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe and unravel the most fascinating stories from the cosmos. Imagine this. It's the year 2046. You're going about your day when suddenly the news breaks. An asteroid is heading straight for Earth. What happens next? Could this be the end of the world as we know it? Or is it just another close call? Today, we're diving into the science behind asteroid impacts and what would happen if one collided with our planet in just over 2 decades. Asteroids, those rocky bodies that roam our solar system, pose a very real risk to Earth. Fortunately, most asteroids are small and harmless, burning up in the atmosphere before they can reach the ground. But what if a massive asteroid, say, one the size of a city or larger, actually hit Earth? Could we survive such an impact? And what's the real risk of this happening in 2046? Let's break it down. First, let's talk size. The larger the asteroid, the more catastrophic the impact. For example, an asteroid just 100 meters in diameter would release the same energy as millions of nuclear bombs. A 1-kilometer asteroid, think the size of Mount Everest, could cause global devastation, blocking out sunlight, triggering massive wildfires, and possibly even plunging Earth into an ice age due to the debris thrown into the atmosphere. Scientists have identified thousands of near-Earth objects, or NEOs, and while most pose little risk, the ones big enough to cause serious damage are being tracked closely. Currently, no asteroid is on a collision course with Earth in 2046. But the fear isn't entirely irrational. Asteroids like 2023 DW, or the infamous Apophis, which makes a close pass in 2029 Soman, remind us that our planet is not invincible. So let's imagine the worst-case scenario. An asteroid with a diameter of 1 kilometer hits Earth in 2046. The impact would be catastrophic. The asteroid would slam into the surface with a force equivalent to billions of tons of TNT, enough to level cities, trigger massive earthquakes, and send a shockwave through the atmosphere. The immediate effects would be devastating. Massive fires, tsunamis if it hit the ocean, and a sky filled with dust and smoke. The Earth's temperature would plummet as sunlight is blocked for weeks or even months, causing what's known as an impact winter. Crops would fail, food supplies would dwindle, and the planet could experience a significant drop in temperatures, leading to a global collapse of ecosystems and economies. As the dust settles, humanity would face an even greater challenge. With sunlight blocked, photosynthesis would be halted, and temperatures could fall drastically. This would disrupt agriculture and lead to widespread famine. The global economy would come to a standstill, with resources scarce and society struggling to adapt. Experts believe that if an asteroid of this magnitude were to hit Earth, it could take years, if not decades, for the planet to recover. The loss of biodiversity, along with the collapse of ecosystems, could be irreversible. Human civilization as we know it would be severely altered. But what if we could prevent it? Thankfully, we're not completely powerless against these space rocks. Over the years, scientists have developed techniques to deflect or destroy asteroids on a collision course with Earth. One idea is to send a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid, changing its trajectory just enough to avoid impact. Another proposal is the use of nuclear weapons to detonate an asteroid at a safe distance. While these ideas are still in development, there's hope that we could take action before it's too late. And as our technology improves, the likelihood of stopping an asteroid before it reaches Earth continues to grow. So how likely is it that an asteroid will actually hit Earth in 2046? The good news is that the odds are extremely low. NASA and other space agencies are constantly monitoring the skies for any potential threats. And thanks to advancements in technology, we have a much better chance of detecting a dangerous asteroid years before it reaches us. While a direct hit is unlikely, the possibility of a close encounter remains. And even if an asteroid doesn't hit Earth, we'll continue to monitor the skies, because when it comes to our planet's survival, it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard. So what would happen if an asteroid hit Earth in 2046? While the scenario is frightening, the chances are slim. But with science and technology advancing, humanity may be able to stop a catastrophic impact before it ever happens. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay updated on the latest space discoveries and potential threats to Earth, Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for future videos.